Let me ask you something personal. Do you make decent money, maybe not rich, but enough, and still somehow end up at the end of the month wondering where it all went? You're not broke in the obvious way. You pay your bills. You're not in crisis. But you also have almost nothing saved, and you can't really explain why. That was me, for longer than I'm comfortable admitting. My name is Ruby. A few years ago, I was earning more than I ever thought I would in my 20s, and I had almost nothing to show for it. Not because I was irresponsible, not because I was spending on anything dramatic. The money just disappeared into a lease I didn't need, subscriptions I forgot about, a lifestyle that quietly expanded every time my income did. I looked successful. I felt behind. The turning point wasn't a book or a course. It was a spreadsheet. I sat down one Sunday and actually tracked where every dollar had gone for the previous 6 months. What I found genuinely shocked me. I wasn't making bad decisions. I was making default decisions, the ones the system makes easy. And the system is not designed with your wealth in mind. That spreadsheet changed everything. Not because of some dramatic revelation, but because of one simple truth I couldn't unsee. The difference between people who always seem to have money and people who always seem to run out of it has almost nothing to do with how much they earn. It has everything to do with a small set of rules that most people never learn. Because nobody teaches them. Not in school. In school, we learned the quadratic formula. We memorized the periodic table. But nobody sat us down and explained how a savings rate actually works, why your fixed costs are destroying more wealth than your daily habits ever could, or how one automated decision made on a Tuesday morning can do more for your financial future than 5 years of trying harder. I started this channel because I got tired of financial content that either talks down to you with oversimplified advice, just stop buying coffee, or talks over you with jargon that feels like it was designed to make you feel stupid. Neither one actually helps you build anything. I also want to be honest with you about something. I'm using an AI format for this channel because I'm not ready to sit in front of a camera and talk to the internet. Maybe someday. But right now, the knowledge feels more important than the face. And I'd rather give you something genuinely useful behind an animated character than look polished while saying nothing worth hearing. What I'm going to give you on this channel are the actual rules, not the generic advice you've already heard. The specific counterintuitive patterns that separate people who build wealth quietly from people who earn well and stay stuck. We're going to talk about why discipline is the wrong foundation for financial success and what to build instead. We're going to talk about the hidden costs of the life you're maintaining, the psychological traps that keep high earners broke, and the simple systems that make having money the default outcome instead of the exception. I've seen people earning $180,000 a year with nothing saved and people earning $52,000 who retire early. The math isn't complicated once you see it clearly. Most people just never get the chance to see it clearly. That's what Ruby Invest is for. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right and still not getting ahead, you're not failing. You just haven't been given the right rules yet. Let's fix that.